Tired of endlessly scrolling through real estate listings and missing out on the perfect property? Let's dive into how to set up custom Redfin alerts so you can be the first to know about new listings that match your exact criteria. First, head over to Redfin.com and in the search bar, type in the city, neighborhood, or zip code where you're looking to buy. Once you've entered your desired location, you'll see a map view with all the current listings. Now, to customize your alerts, look for the Save Search button, usually located near the top of the page. Above the map, click that button. A window will pop up allowing you to refine your search. Here's where the magic happens. Specify your price range, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you need, property type, and any other features that are important to you, like square footage or lot size. Now, make sure you've created a Redfin account or are signed in. Next, look for the option to receive instant updates or something similar. Toggle that switch on. If it isn't already, take a moment to check your email and Redfin app settings to ensure notifications are enabled so you'll actually receive the alerts. And that's it. From now on, Redfin will send you email or app notifications the moment a new property hits the market that matches your saved search criteria. Now you can relax, enjoy your coffee, and let Redfin do the work. Happy house hunting.